Welcome to our channel. We are Comercial Distrival. This is a short video for customers who have some difficulty welding aluminum with these models. New York or the London model of the Vector Welding brand. Well, just to explain a little bit, you already know that with this dial we walk through the whole sequence. Here we would start with the gas issue. Well, first it has to be on alternating current. It's up here for aluminum, here for the rest of the materials. Now for the aluminum, 200 amps we have there. Then we take the pulse off of it. For aluminum, we don't usually put pulse on it. And let's get started. This is the gas issue at the beginning. We put seconds on it if we want it to start a little earlier. This is the initial current. Then we put in as many seconds as we want so that that initial current is transformed into peak current, let's say. It is the time that will elapse from the time we are in base current until we go up to peak current. Since we don't have the pulse, these three parameters don't light up. The frequency between pulses, the base amps, and the hertz of the pulse. Then we have the ramp down in seconds as well. It's at 2.1. And then the amps at the end. Also, the gas at the end allows us to time it. These parameters are really important for aluminum, which is the square wave. We've got it at full swing. And the output current is alternating, usually at 150. Our professional customers tell us no more or less at 150 amps. So keep in mind both this parameter and this one that you place them as they are in this video, and it will make it much easier for you to start welding with this aluminum machine. Then you know that the 2 and 4 strokes have to do with the torch trigger. That is in 2 beats as it is now, there in 2 times. The machine only welds while we have it pressed. Weld and release to stop. Well, in 4 steps we give it a touch, the machine starts welding, and when we touch it again, it stops. In this case, you can't see it because if you don't strike the arc, you don't do it correctly. Okay, and then that's the plasma electrode and cutoff, which has a maximum of 50 amps. And then, regarding the electrode, we can adjust the 3 vital parameters, which are the R forks, the anti-stick, and the jotter star. The jotter star is for a stronger start when we begin, and the electrode looks better. The R4X is the arc's length for welding with the arc closer to the workpiece or farther apart. Especially welding upwards is quite interesting. And the anti-stick, when the electrode sticks for a second or two, depends on the sensitivity we program. The machine will cut the arc to prevent accidents or the electrode from melting. Well, it's mostly about safety. Very good, I hope you like this video. It's a bit, well, due to customers' demand, asking about this machine often, both the New York and London. They sell a lot, and the truth is that sometimes, if we don't have those parameters, we indicate them, which are this square wave and alternating current output. If you don't have them, at least start with these values, because welding aluminum is challenging. Well, thank you very much for trusting us, and welcome to our channel. Best regards.